all about. Ooh, that's strong if you eat just the cream part. Move some of this to the side. And just try to drink the milk. Okay, and now we mix it. Ooh, an alarm. Sorry about that. It doesn't sink in, it still floats on the top. But it's mixing a little better. That's alright. Maybe I ought to mix it more. People are like, oh my gosh, it's so delicious. Okay, I've almost got it all submerged together. There you go. It's okay. I wouldn't go crazy over it. So, quick update. I'm almost done drinking it. That alarm! Okay, anyways. I'm almost done drinking it. I was drinking it while I was editing this, and I think the more you let it sit and mix together, it tastes a little bit better. Or maybe I just put too much milk. But if you look back on the video, I only did 1 scoop of sugar, 1 scoop of instant coffee, and that scoop is equivalent to a tablespoon. The recipe actually counts for 2, and I did not put in the clip where I added the 2nd tablespoon of each. But yeah, it's worth a try if you have like an extra, maybe I'd say 10 minutes because of the hand whipping, unless you are able to use a milk frother or a hand mixer of some sort. But I feel there's more gratification in mixing it yourself. Anyways, that was me trying the Dalgona coffee and being bored during this quarantine. COVID-19 2020.